It is time for you to create exactly what it is that you want in your financial life, because money is just the result of how you're thinking, speaking, and feeling. This fall, I want you to think of your money kind of like leaves on a tree, right? So what things that are you doing financially that you want to shrivel up and fall off and never to come back again? And what do you want to plant this fall so that you have these beautiful seedlings come in the spring from the little financial pieces that you are actually growing and planting so that it's creating more of the life that you want to create? People will say money doesn't grow on trees, but you know what? It does when you actually choose to manifest it. I have so many people that say, well, I have just enough money. I'm like, well, because the words that come out of your mouth that say, I have just enough money, guess what? You now manifested just having enough money. I have a client who we've been working on this recently, this exact example. And what started to happen when he started saying the mantra every day, because the whole universe works on sound and vibration. So I gave him an assignment to say every single day, I want you to say, I am living on more than just enough. I am able to receive more than just enough money. He started waking up with panic attacks. He hadn't had panic attacks in over 15 years. What's going on? What happens to every individual when we start to get to a place of expansion? Something inside of yourself is going to be triggered because it's trying to come up to heal. And this is where our emotions are actually stuffed down into our system, typically from our childhood, and that builds up over time. And we tend to do things that actually layer upon it. And all it is, it's the energy of those emotions that are stuck in your physical system, because remember, Einstein said that we are all energy. And so what we need to do is get those emotions to move and come up and out. So I told my client, I said, what I want you to do now that you're saying that mantra of, I am living on more than just enough money. I am able to attract more than just enough money. He's waking up with the panic attacks. And I told him, I said, now I need you to say out loud, along with that other mantra, say, I am safe. As those panic attacks are happening, saying, I am safe. I am safe. He is going into a panic attack because on some level, his nervous system doesn't feel safe because of some experience that happened when he was a little boy. And I know from helping so many clients through this, that once you feel those emotions, because he just has to feel the fear of not feeling safe. That's all it is. Easier said than done. I understand that. But when you verbally say that out loud, you activate the part in your body where you don't feel safe, and it comes up and out and you feel those feelings. That is how you can expand, and that is how you can grow. And so some of those are the seeds that you can plant and have those leaves fall off the tree. No more panic attacks, no more anxiety about money, no more scarcity of money, no more not enough of money. It is time for you to create exactly what it is that you want in your financial life, because money is just the result of how you're thinking, speaking, and feeling. And I know you might need some support along the way. So come join us at juliemurphy.com, because we can help you, whether it's our free workshops or our discovery group coaching calls, my online courses, and we're here to help to get you to a life that you absolutely love. Do you want to experience free coaching based on my 25 plus years as being a financial planner, and ask me any question that you want to ask me to help you get past that hurdle in your financial world? I run these free workshops every other month to start to open you up, to start to help you get to this next place. The information for my free workshop, click the link below and register, and I'll see you on the next workshop.